everyone. Welcome back to Learning with Mr. English Lab. I'm Emma, XA.
And I'm Daniel. And today we're diving into a super powerful topic: how to make your brain think in English naturally.
If you want to speak fluently, think fast, and understand native speakers, this episode is for you.
So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's begin our 50-minute journey to transform your English brain.
When you translate from your native language to English, your sentences become slow, broken, and confusing.
Exactly. Thinking in English removes that delay. You speak faster, sound more natural, and understand more.
Plus, your confidence goes up. No more overthinking sentences.
So today we'll share simple techniques, daily habits, and practical examples to train your brain.
The first step is very easy. Start with tiny thoughts in English.
For example, instead of thinking "mujhe pani pina hai," think "I want to drink water."
Don't try to think big sentences. Start small.
Even objects. This is my phone. I'm walking. I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Your brain slowly adapts to English patterns.
Narrate your day in English inside your head.
Like a running commentary of your actions. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm leaving the house. I'm checking my messages.
This narration builds automatic English thinking.
Choose a 10 to 15-minute window every day where you force your brain to use only English.
No Urdu, no Punjabi, no translation, only English thoughts.
At first, it feels strange, but after a few days, it becomes natural.
Your brain learns from the environment. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, songs, and shows.
Don't try to understand every word. Just let the sound of English enter your mind.
The more input you give, the faster your brain starts thinking in English automatically.
This is the biggest challenge. Stop translating everything.
When you hear a sentence, don't try to find its Urdu meaning. Just understand it directly in English.
If you see apple, think of the fruit, not the Urdu word seb.
Talk to yourself. Yes, really.
Mirror practice is powerful. You build fluency, confidence, and natural thinking.
Pretend you're talking to a friend, ordering food, or explaining something.
Do small English challenges. Describe what you see. Make a sentence with new words. Talk for 2 minutes without stopping. Explain a picture. Say the steps of a task.
These micro games force your brain to think quickly.
For example, if you're cooking, think, I'm cutting onions. I'm frying this. This smells good.
Use English in real life, not just in books.
Q. How long does it take to start thinking in English? A. 1 to 3 months if you practice daily.
Q. Can I think in English even if vocabulary is low? A. Yes. Start with the words you already know.
Q. Should I use dictionary? A. Yes, but avoid translation apps.
So that's it, friends. Start small, stay consistent, and let your brain slowly shift into English mode.
If you enjoyed this podcast, subscribe to Learning with Mr. English Lab.